So let's get started. As you guys can see, my hair is freshly washed. It is damp right now, and I already started on half of my head, and I'm going to show you guys how I do the other half of my head. I don't like to use combs, so what I'm going to do is use my pinky to part my hair. I like to section off my hair whenever I do curl formers or whenever I do anything, because it just makes the task so much more easier. I'm going to grab one of my clips and clip up the remaining hair. Now that I have that, I'm going to go into my Camille Rose Curl Aid Green Tea and Jojoba moisturizer. I love it so much. I'm just going to grab a little pinch of it and moisturize this section of my hair. Using this moisture butter is definitely my preference. You can use whatever you want to use in your hair as far as mousse, a moisturizer, a butter, a jelly, whatever you want to use, it's up to you. So now I'm going to part this section into two, and this is where I'm going to begin to do my curl formers. After parting my hair, I like to put up the remainder so that it doesn't get in my way. Here I'm showing you the different size curl formers I have, because I did end up buying two different packs when I bought them way back when. As you can see, I have a fatter one and a skinnier one, which ensures the amount of hair that you can actually put inside of the curl former. And the fatter one is a teeny bit longer than the skinnier one. I prefer using the skinnier ones, but whatever. Each curl former pack also comes with this hook. What you do is slide your curl former down onto the hook like so, and then you want to make sure that hook is showing. I like to gently comb out the ends of my hair just to make sure that it is smooth, and then I grab the root of that hair that I already parted and I twist it. This helps the hair go smoothly into that hook as I'm showing you guys, and of course I'm going to do another one so you guys can see. So you're going to take your curl former and pull it down onto that hook. You're going to release that little bad boy, and then you're going to comb it out a little bit just to make sure that the hair is smooth. Then you're going to take it from the root and do a little twist around. That's up to you how much you want to twist. I like to make sure it's nice and skinny. Then I hook the hook onto my hair, pull the curl former up, and then I pull the end of the hook, and that pulls my hair through the curl former. I hope I am not going too fast. I hope that this is like a great visual for you guys. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but you want to make sure that your hair is damp or wet whenever you're doing curl formers. So the front of my hair began to get a little dry, so here I am spritzing it up for you, making sure that the water is moisturizing it evenly. Then I'm going to grab my Camille Rose Moisture Butter and put that in this large chunk of hair, and I'm going to show you guys once again how to do a curl former. Once again, grabbing my fine tooth comb and making sure that all the hair is grouped together, because this is going to be in one curl former. I like to twist the root of my hair. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see. Twisting it and twisting it and twisting it. And I already prepared my hook with the curl former on it. So now I'm going to put that twist through the hook part right there. Hold it, push up the curl former over the hook part. Hold it, and then pull my hair through by pulling the bottom of the curl former. So this is basically how I achieved this look. Well, it's not really a look yet, but I have so many curl formers in my head, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you, I know I have more than 40. So if you're purchasing curl formers, make sure that you're getting multiple packs. And after allowing it to air dry for approximately 6 to 7 hours, sometimes I do also sit under the dryer, depends on the day, depends on what I have to do. This is what my curls ended up looking like. I am super in love. I look like somebody's granny. Whenever you ladies are taking out your curl formers, make sure that you're not like tugging and all rough with your hair, because it will snatch your hair straight up out your roots. That has happened to me a few times with like a few of my strands, but you know, Alex she don't learn from herself. She don't listen to herself either. So yeah, I'm just here snatching them out my head like I'm a crazy woman. And this is what my curls came out like. They are super bouncy, super lightweight. As you can see, I have one at like the bottom left that didn't dry too well. So now here's time for separation. I'm going to take my black castor miracle oil and just rub it all over my palm so that I can separate my curls. I did notice that the way I started separating my curls, it kind of took out the curl. So I'm going to show you guys how I started picking out my hair with a pick. This technique usually does work for me. I'm not too sure what's going on with my hair. I don't know why I wasn't like, really hitting, but I didn't plan on wearing my hair out, so I wasn't completely like discouraged or whatever. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let you guys see how I continue to separate my curls and stuff like that, and use your own opinion and see what you guys want to do, what works for you. So this is the method that worked for me. Again, I do feel like when I picked out my hair, that side of my hair came out a little bit better. But yeah, I hope I helped you guys tremendously. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to write me down in the comment section below. I love you all. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to keep watching though, because I'm showing y'all what my hair look like at the end. Bye.